Hello guys! Have you ever wondered why you have tooth sensitivity? Well, I'm here today to tell you what are the top reasons why it brings you guys to the dental clinic. Number one is you're most probably using the wrong toothbrush. We always ask for soft toothbrush, not medium, not hard, and it's the technique, you guys. Once again, 2 minutes, the brushing technique is what matters, not forceful brushing. Number two, you could be using an abrasive toothpaste. I find whitening toothpaste to be abrasive. I always ask my patients to put it behind the palm of their hands. And if they find it's abrasive for their hands, it's definitely abrasive for the teeth. So long term, we're causing more damage. So just a regular toothpaste is what we ask for. Third reason could be acidic foods and acidic drinks. I know a lot of us like to start our day with warm water and lemon, but that long term has caused, our teeth to literally wear down. So I've asked if people need to do it, to use straws. Fourth and most common reason is grinding our teeth. More and more we find people who are old grinding our teeth, and especially at night when we're sleeping, we don't know that we're doing it. And long term, we find that we're creating, that we're destroying the enamel surface, which is as hard as our bone, and it's literally going down to the second layer of tooth, which is dentin, and we're creating pits where my patients complain that they're getting food stuck in it, and whenever they drink, especially cold drinks, they're getting sensitive. So one thing to help that is to wear a night guard. And last but not least, tooth decay. As we all know, tooth decay does cause sensitivity. Initially, it starts with being sensitive to cold, but if it leads to sensitivity to heat and sweets, then we're probably looking at the nerves. So let's catch things early, and as always, prevention. I hope this video helped for you guys to get a better idea as the top reasons why people need to see their dentist and they have sensitivity. Have a lovely day, everyone.